Oh.
My new strategy when I ride a bike is not looking like a girl. Just wearing like baggy pants and a football shirt or something. I try to find the most boyish clothes.
ما في شيء والله.
Even people from my family, they see this as dangerous.
Oh God.
A police officer can stop me. I don't know what will they do.
خاف الأولاد سعوديين عشان رايحين على هناك مرة مفتوح. هذا اسمه سعودي؟ سعودي.
You know, when you don't know the consequences, you fear them much more.
انتبه الأولاد. حتى أنا.
The journey to reach a goal as big as equality between genders is not an easy goal. I just want women to believe in themselves. It's our right to have a voice.